Hi, good evening. I'm Andy. I'm the owner of Loomis Underwater LED Lighting. I'd like to give a little demonstration here at the docks tonight of our 40 LED 120 watt bottom floating up light. This is a simple light. You just attach a weight to the cord and you throw it in. It'll illuminate a large area. You can get the light off the bottom. A lot of bottoms have dirty areas, sediment off the bottom. And this is great for deep water. So if your dock's like 25 feet deep, you can float this 10 feet off the bottom and get a more reasonable distance between the surface and the light head. This light has a 140-degree cone angle of light coming off of it, so the deeper it goes, the bigger the circle becomes. We offer this in all different colors: aqua, green, blue, white, soft white, bright white, amber, red, and we do all the LED work ourselves. Everything. No Chinese components whatsoever here. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is. We recommend putting a little waterproof marine grease over the light head and the cord, like Yamaha outboard grease, to prevent barnacles and everything from growing over it. But other than that, this light's really easy. You can get this in any cord length you want. We got a Meanwell AC to low voltage DC transformer driving this. So all you do is just basically take this light and throw it out there. So here we go. Now the weight's going to sink the light down. And there you go. Really easy. A very powerful light head. Each LED is 3 watts, 40 of them. 130 lumens per LED in green, and that's a conservative number. They're actually rated for 180, but we underdrive the LEDs for longevity and to get their maximum efficiency. But yeah, so this light's floating about 3 feet off the bottom right now. The light head is probably around 12 feet down there, 14 feet deep. We're out here on the docks. Other than that, this is our 40 LED bottom floating up light. Thank you.